Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now that we have understand cloud computing and features of EC2, let's understand the background of Amazon EC2. EC2, as you guys know, stand for Elastic Compute Cloud. It allows us to launch virtual servers in cloud within minutes. Instead of buying physical hardware, we can rent computing power from AWS. That is why we can run application easily and we can scale our infrastructure by using Amazon EC2. So let's understand, before cloud computing, companies had to build their own infrastructure. They needed physical servers, networking equipments, and data centers. This process was expensive and time consuming. Scaling applications was also very difficult. Why scaling was difficult in that case? Because suppose you have hosted your application onto a single on a single physical server. Suppose this is the server in which your application is hosted, and now we need to scale our application from one server to another server due to high traffic. So for this, first we have to configure this server according to the previous server. We have to install all the dependencies, install operating system on this server, and then we will have to run code, and then we'll have to make sure that this server will be able to handle traffic or host application easily. So by using Amazon EC2, we have the advantage that we can launch server in minutes without worrying about this physical infrastructure. So these were the problems with the traditional data center setup, because the traditional data center was expensive and it is difficult for us to scale our infrastructure within a minute. EC2 server solve these problems by allowing developers to launch servers on demand. You can start a server in minutes and stop it when you need it. This make deployment faster and more efficient. And as we know that EC2 provides us features like on-demand servers, fast deployment, global infrastructure, flexible configuration, and pay-as-you-go pricing. So on-demand server means we can quickly configure servers and we can quickly rent EC2 instances from AWS and run application. And also EC2 instance offers fast deployment, and EC2 instances offers flexible configuration, which means we can choose whatever operating system we want, and EC2 instances offers you a pricing model which is known as pay as you go. So now we will discuss that what makes EC2 instances, EC2 servers more powerful, because EC2 gives you control similar to a traditional server but with the advantage of the cloud. You can choose the operating system, instance type, storage, networking configuration, and this flexibility make EC2 one of the most widely used AWS services. If you are still confused about the concept of EC2, let me elaborate you with a very simple example so that you can understand that what is EC2 and what problem it solves. Suppose you are a developer and you have made an application which is production ready application. You have made a website, and now your task is to deploy this website into a server so that users in the world can access this website. The problem here is, where did you get this server from? If you buy a physical server, it will be very expensive. And suppose if you buy a physical server and now you have to manage all the properties, all the aspects of that physical server, means you'll have to manage the server itself, its configuration, its cooling system, its power maintenance, and then you'll have to run your application. You'll have to make this server able to run this application inside this, and then you will configure this server to ready to host your application. So this setup is very expensive. And with Amazon EC2, what you can do is you can just go to EC2 dashboard and run an instance, and inside this instance you can run your code, and this instance will be available within a minute. You will not have to manage the server itself. AWS will handle the server, and your task is to just deploy your application inside this server, and you will only pay for the EC2 instance, means you will only pay for your running instance. So this is the power and flexibility of EC2 instance. This is it for the video. I'll see you in the next one.